Creating a budget that helps you save more. A well-crafted budget is a powerful tool for financial stability. It can help you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and ultimately save more money. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a budget that works for you. Track your income and expenses. List all income sources. This includes your salary, wages, interest, dividends, and any other sources of income. Track all expenses. Keep a detailed record of everything you spend money on, including groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, and discretionary purchases. Consider using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to simplify this process. Set financial goals. Short-term goals. These might include building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals. This could be saving for a down payment on a house, retirement, or your child's education. Create a budget. Allocate your income by dividing it into categories such as housing, transportation, food, utilities, debt payments, savings, and discretionary spending. Prioritize your expenses to ensure that your budget aligns with your financial goals. If you're trying to save more, allocate a larger portion of your income to savings. Be realistic. Your budget should be achievable. Avoid setting unrealistic expectations that may lead to frustration and failure. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget to assess your spending habits and make adjustments as needed. Be flexible. Life happens. If unexpected expenses arise, be prepared to adjust your budget accordingly. Tips for saving more. Cut unnecessary expenses by identifying areas where you can reduce spending, such as dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for goods and services. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account. This can help you save consistently without thinking about it. Find side hustles by considering taking on a part-time job or starting a side business to increase your income and boost your savings. Avoid impulse purchases by asking yourself if it's necessary and if it aligns with your financial goals before making a purchase. By following these steps and making conscious decisions about your spending, you can create a budget that helps you save more and achieve your financial aspirations.